If your vehicle is showing a P2138 code, in this video, I'll explain what it means and how you go about fixing it. What is a P2138 code? It stands for Throttle/Pedal Position Sensor/Switch DE Voltage Correlation. In simple terms, your car's computer is getting conflicting signals from the gas pedal and the engine. To understand this code, it helps to look at how throttle systems have evolved. On older vehicles, a physical cable connected your gas pedal to the throttle body. When you stepped on the gas, the cable pulled the butterfly plate open. On newer vehicles, that cable is gone. This is what we call a drive-by-wire system. Instead of a cable, there's an accelerator pedal position sensor right on your gas pedal. When you press it, it sends an electrical signal to the computer. The computer then tells a small motor on the throttle body to open the butterfly plate. A throttle position sensor monitors that plate to make sure it's exactly where it should be. A P2138 happens when the signals from the pedal and the throttle don't agree with each other. Possible causes of a P2138 code. One of the most common and cheapest causes is a dirty throttle body. If you take off the intake hose and see a heavy black buildup of carbon and gunk around the butterfly plate, that debris can physically interfere with the movement of the plate. In this case, all you need is a can of throttle body cleaner and a small brush or toothbrush. Clean that area until the metal is shiny and the plate moves freely. Just a heads up, when you first start the engine after cleaning, it might run rough or stumble for about a minute while it burns off the cleaner. Don't worry, that's completely normal. If the throttle body is clean, the next step is checking the sensors. A faulty throttle position sensor or a bad accelerator pedal sensor can easily send the out-of-sync data that triggers this code. If you have a good OBD2 scan tool, you can watch the live data for both sensors while you slowly press the pedal. The voltage should rise and fall smoothly. If you see jumps or dead spots in the data, you found your culprit. Also, inspect the wiring harness for any open circuits, shorts, or loose connections. These sensors usually operate on a 5-volt reference signal from the computer. Keep in mind that this 5-volt circuit is often shared with other parts, like the fuel tank pressure sensor. If one of those other sensors shorts out, it can pull the voltage down for the whole circuit, causing your throttle code. So, to recap, check for a dirty throttle body first, then move on to testing the sensors and checking for a steady 5-volt reference. The RELEARN procedure. If you end up replacing any of the sensors, some vehicles require what's called a RELEARN procedure. For example, many GM trucks have a specific idle RELEARN process you have to follow. While some cars will recalibrate automatically just by driving, others won't run correctly until you perform this manual step. Always check the requirements for your specific year and model before you swap parts. And that's basically it. If you have anything to add, feel free to leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.